I'm Jeff Torres for Advanced Diver Magazine and RebreatherWorld.com here at DEMA 2010 in Las Vegas, Nevada, and we're talking with Andy Huber and Tobin George from Deepsea Supply. Guys, thanks for talking with us today.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you.
Andy, this is a Copus mag, and we're going to show this in a second, but kind of explain what the idea is here.
Well, the basic concept we have here is a fully closed DIR compliant CCR. That was the foundation of this whole project here.
But you've added a lot to it.
Well, basically we just took the existing double tank foundation, added a rebreather in the middle, and we chose the Megalodon because we believe it's one of the best units out there, and built on that.
What was the idea behind that?
The idea is to actually introduce fully closed circuit rebreather diving into the DIR community, build on the muscle memory that is pre-existing, not to change the rebreather world or any manufacturer's ideas that are different from ours, but give the community a tool that they so long deserve.
And it looks to me like it actually adds an additional level of safety.
We believe so, yes. We are used to having the back gas as back gas, which now is bailout and diluent at the same time. With the BOV, it's instantly accessible, and we're having the O2 off-board. It seems to make sense in our world.
Tobin, I have to say, it looks like you've taken a sort of regular set of doubles with a regular set of valves and morphed them into something remarkable.
Well, our goal was to have manifolded doubles and not have to modify any components of the manifold system, and to allow us to separate these tanks if logistics required you transport the tanks individually. So with standard H valves and this manifold that's been constructed here out of 2 DIN males and a silver soldered piece of high pressure tubing, we avoid any requirement to drill and tap or modify the standard manifold. Shutting these 2 valves allows you to, with a wrench, remove this manifold, separate the tanks if necessary for transportation, and this setup will accommodate different cylinder diameters.
Tobin, I know one of your favorite things to do is to go into a machine shop and come out with something sort of spectacular, and this is pretty spectacular. Explain this.
Well, one of the challenges of this configuration is having a means to secure these tanks together. Given that they are manifolded, you don't want to have the tanks moving independently. And this formed frame allows you to easily remove the scrubber and still have security with these tanks even when they're full. It's really a means, instead of removing your tanks from your rebreather, it allows you to remove your rebreather from your tanks.
And this is just a regular Copus mag, no modifications to the rebreather itself?
No modification to the rebreather.
We've been talking with Andy Huber and Tobin George from Deepsea Supply. I'm Jeff Torres for RebreatherWorld.com and Advanced Diver Magazine at DEMA 2010 in Las Vegas, Nevada.